What's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the Sara Squad home. Finally, I can actually take you all through every single part of my dream home in Mumbai, and there are no restrictions, no construction, no repair work happening. Finally, everything has, alhamdulillah, pieced itself together. And if you've been a regular subscriber on my channel, if you're truly a part of the Sara Squad, you know what all went behind making the Sara Squad home come to life. घर बनाना वैसे भी easy नहीं होता है. I've understood that, and it's a very big life lesson, which is why I think a lot of people avoid buying a house only in the first place, ताकि ये सब कलेश के साथ डील ना करना पड़े. I really did not know what I was signing up for when I started building this home, and everything feels worth it when I see the end result today. Like alhamdulillah, when I'm living in this house and I've spent almost 2 months, which is crazy to me कि कितना जल्दी time जा रहा है, that I've spent 2 months in this home and it felt surreal, even through the mess, even through everything. So आज मैंने सोचा कि आप लोगों को मैं अपना living room, अपने सारे rooms एक ही साथ ही में पूरा टूर दूंगी. I have uploaded my bedroom and my studio room tour and my kitchen tour individually on my channel अगर आप लोग ने देखा होगा. But today I'll show you where everything is, how everything ties well together, and you all also had a lot of questions for me on all of these videos. और Instagram पे भी मैंने question box लिया था, so a lot of people have asked me questions about my home, which can be very helpful to people who are building their house in Bombay. तो मैंने सोचा कि आज मैं वो questions भी answer करूंगी. So if you're interested to know, see everything, then continue watching. But if this is the first time you've come onto my channel, then hi, I'm Sara. I make beauty and lifestyle videos here on YouTube. Take a moment, hit that subscribe button, join the Sara Squad. I'm sure you'll love it here. And also don't forget to hit the bell icon right next to it so that every time I upload a video, you get notified. And with that, we can dive straight into my home. So the overall vibe of the Sara Squad home is very contemporary, modern. मुझे एकदम minimal aesthetic रखना था, especially in the living room. एक इंसान ने मुझे ऐसा भी question पूछा है कि आपका living room इतना simple क्यों है? And I just genuinely wanted to use the open space in this house. This is an 865 square feet apartment. It's a 2 BHK by the builder. And ये apartment में already living room में इतनी ज़्यादा जगह थी. There was no passage concept. So I really wanted to keep it that way and keep that openness going, because personally I am somebody who likes a lot of openness. ज्यादा furniture भर के मुझे ज्यादा painting और art work वगैरह करके घर नहीं भरना था. And secondly also because मैं content बनाती हूँ, हम लोग के घर में इतने सारे team members आते हैं, तो the tripod, the light and all keeps moving in the house, so that open space actually really helps you and doesn't make it look cluttered when there are so many people in the house. So for seating arrangement, this is the main living room couch that is there, and it's this beautiful pink color. अगर आपने moving in episodes देखे थे, then you know कि we were for the longest time, as per my interior designer's mood board, going to take a burgundy couch. Wine color ऐसा मुझे चाहिए था कि ताकि सारा attention ना as soon as you come in the living room comes on the couch, and it would have been a superb color element because there's absolutely no other color in the entire living room. But somehow I was not able to find the right shade of burgundy. मैंने इतनी सारी soft furnishings की दुकानों में उनके manuals check किए, इतने सारे inventory check किया, और एक भी burgundy shade मुझे perfect नहीं लग रहा था जैसा मुझे चाहिए. Then we started looking at other color options, and then we liked this pink color. And now that I have this huge pink couch in the house, it reminds me of my second Sara Squad home. जो मेरा second rental था, that also had this pink couch. It was a 2-seater couch. ये अच्छा खासा 7 feet का couch है. It's a 3-seater. इस पे इंसान सो भी सकता है. And that's exactly the idea I wanted. That I wanted a couch on which if my friends come over, then one of us can sleep on this couch also, because ये काफी broad है. I've taken a nice and broad seating. And for backrest, ये सारे loose cushions बनवाए हैं. So there's this duffel type of cushioning. It's a very modern style of couch. This is very contemporary in design. It's slightly oval. और अगर आप देखोगे मेरे seating जो है living room की, I've kept the height this time very less because I wanted to add these molding putties in the back. And just this picture frame molding is something which is I know very overdone. सभी के घर में आपने देखा होगा at this point. But मुझे भी करवाना था. ये एक चीज है जो मैंने सबके घर में देखा है, but मुझे भी चाहिए था कि मेरे घर में भी हो. And it's nothing, really it's a wooden molding. Somebody asked me कि what material is this? So this is लकड़ा. लकड़ी का molding होता है और उस पे इन लोग पेंट करते हैं. And that's it. That's as simple as that. It's not something that's engraved. Yeah, they don't make it on site. website, ये ready-made ऐसे ही आता है, and they put it, and it's simple, minimalistic, while adding a little charm to this wall. So this gives you this picture frame molding aesthetic, and you can put artwork inside, you can put whatever. I have not put anything art-wise. I've just put these two stunning sconces, and these I really wanted so that they look like a standout element. एक question ऐसा भी आया था कि what are the changes you made in the design plan as the house was being made, and this is one of the major changes I made, that when the couch color was not burgundy anymore and it was not like a super center of attraction anymore, I decided कि हम ये दीवार की lights को एकदम attractive बनाएंगे. Like we were first initially going to do a simple floor lamp on the side with the burgundy couch, so that the burgundy couch is like the main center of attraction and center of focus. But then we decided to go for this sconce, and these sconces are so stunning, especially जब रात को सिर्फ ये sconce lights on रहते हैं. It looks very nice. The पूरे living room का vibe भी बहुत सुंदर लगता है. It's very moody, and you know I love mood lighting in general, so this is such a vibe. It's such a stunning piece. It's smoked glass with gold, and that slight gold amount is also then the chandelier on the counter of the kitchen, so that gold does reflect with each other. Right next to this wall is this huge window, and you all know I have floor to ceiling windows everywhere in the house. That's my favorite bit. That was the selling point for this apartment. A lot of people have asked me, where exactly are you living in Bombay? Your views look stunning, और काफी लोगों को जानना है. Now I won't be comfortable sharing where I'm living, of course, because for safety reasons, but I can tell you it's a very prime location. It's literally just a 12-minute drive from the Mumbai International Airport, and you all know I travel a lot, so airport नजदीक रखना is perfect. You can actually see flights going in and day out from my window, and it's stunning. The view is beautiful. One of my favorite parts of the house actually is this window, because मैं काफी time like रात को once my team leaves and everything, I just stand here, I look out, and रात का view बहुत सुंदर दिखता है living room से, because सारी building जगमगाने लगती है, and it looks really nice. Somebody also asked me where I got my curtains from. तो मेरे सारे पर्दे actually are from this store in Lakshmi Industrial Estate called Purple Patch. वहाँ से मैंने कपड़े लेके फिर पर्दे वाले को देके सिलवाए हैं as per how I wanted them. I really wanted like a lot of curtains, because I think curtains add so much drama to your house and just elevate your house so well. So we've gone for both like sheer curtains as well as opaque curtains, which are completely blackout in the living room as well as the studio room, and they really add to how you want to moderate the lighting, because यहाँ पर along with a lot of light comes a lot of wind. So most of the times I have my window shut and my curtains also sheared out, because बहुत ज़्यादा light आती है. अब तो बारिश का मौसम है तो इतनी ज़्यादा light नहीं आ रही, but yeah, in summer season it can be really sunny and hot, so the curtains are important to sort of, you know, control the temperature of the living room. To tie the classy, contemporary, modern vibe of my living room, we've added this stunning, huge woven rug from Sherom. It's this off-white and black color, and it's got a nice mosaic pattern, so it's exactly the color of the armchair right at the back over here, and my dining chairs are also of the same color. So the color palette of the entire living room and the most of my house is actually off-white. It's not perfectly pure white, it's off-whitish, and black elements तो हर जगह है. मेरे dining chair के legs are black, all the furniture also has like black accents, my coffee table is black, so white and black. So this rug was such a perfect choice. As soon as I saw it, I knew that it would look stunning in my living room. These rugs are actually hand woven, they're very luxurious, very dense, और rug तो मुझे डालना ही था because my little baby over here, Fudge, loves rugs. He comes and wipes his face. He's a self-cleaning kind of a dog. जैसे वो खाना खाता है ना, he loves to like wipe his face on a rug or any like material. तो वो mostly जब rug नहीं था, he was doing it on my t-shirt, on my hand, and he loves rugs in general. So I had to add a rug, and this is such a beautiful addition. If you're looking for nice, luxurious, big rugs for your house, you should definitely check out Sherom. I'm gonna link it नीचे for y'all. ये टेबल किसको याद है? ये मैंने पहला जब IKEA haul किया था, पहले रेंटल घर में, तभी ये कॉफी टेबल खरीदा था. It's a mere like 3,500 in the bigger picture, but I really wanted to keep the same coffee table because this table was actually built by my best friend Tamanna. अगर आपको पता है IKEA का furniture एक flat box में आता है, and then you have to do it yourself, right? Or you call somebody to help you with it. In this case, तमन्ना, पूर्णिमा और मैंने पूरी रात बैठ के कॉफी टेबल असेंबल किया था, जिसमें बेसिकली काम तो सिर्फ तमन्ना ने की थी, पूर्णिमा और मैं उसको देख रहे थे.
थोड़ा मैं मर जाऊंगी, नहीं करते. अरे हाई प्रेशर सिचुएशन पार्टली कंप्लीट. अरे इसमें ये तमन्ना वो क्या कर रहा है? मैं क्या बोल रही थी? लेकिन सोचने वाला चीज बोलना था. And there's so many memories this coffee table
us so many memories of my girls just sitting around and having so much fun. We've celebrated so many of my birthdays around this coffee table. मेरी टीम ने कितना काम किया है, लंच ब्रेक्स किए, सारे घर मेरे साथ नाचा है. So just that emotional attachment, I really wanted one piece of furniture to sort of ground me to earth. So when everything is fancy schmancy, I wanted one of my basic pieces over here. And again, it ties so well together. Why to dispose something जो actually ये घर में काम कर रहा है. इसका जो black aesthetic है वो perfectly मेरे living room के साथ जा रहा है. And I love the vibe and the energy. And actually मैंने कितने coffee tables online भी search किए. They are so expensive, like 60,000, 70,000 for coffee tables. मैंने रहने दो. मेरा 3,000 का IKEA का coffee table एकदम मस्त काम कर रहा है. उसके ऊपर ये गमला है white वाला जो भी मेरा पुराना गमला ही है. This is also from IKEA. I've put this beautiful baby's breath because it's so stunning and so sundar. This is real flowers, so we keep refreshing it. Some coffee coasters that is customized with fudge on it. I actually don't remember which brand sent this to me, but it is given by one of my Sarah Squad small businesses. If you're watching, please comment down below so I can leave a link in the description. And I have this beautiful white quartz crystal over here. White quartz as a crystal is actually for cleansing the aura and cleansing the energy. So I wanted in the center of the house to cleanse the aura and energy of my home. The one thing about the house that I personally was not fond of is that I don't have a balcony in this house. अगर आपने notice किया है. And I was very fond and I am very fond of plants in general. मेरे पुराने सारे घरों में अच्छी खासी खिड़की हुआ करती थी with that window sill where you can keep a lot of plants, or I've even had a balcony in the past in a rental home where I could keep a lot of plants. And in this house unfortunately वो नहीं है, but फिर भी ये घर में मेरा plant बहुत अच्छे से फल रहा है just because we get so much good quality light in this house. So this is a traveler's palm और ये अभी तक मेरे पास है first rental studio से अभी मेरे first खुद के घर तक. The only thing I changed over here is the gamla. I put it in this tall vase, a little off-white to just tie with this house, and it adds a little elevation to the house in general because my sofas are all shorter, so a tall vase sort of just balances it out. The sofa के अलावा we also have this cute armchair. This chair is so comfortable. I absolutely love the shape of it. इसका armrest भी एकदम perfect and it's very cocooning. I sit in the morning like पैर ऊपर करके एकदम comfortably. I have my morning cup of coffee, enjoy the view. It's so quiet in the morning in this house, and this is my favorite moment of my day. And this fabric is called boucle fabric, and this was something that I saw on Pinterest, and I was very sure. I told my interior designer that I want this fabric somewhere in the house, so we tied the dining chairs and this particular chair together by using the same fabric दोनों जगह. So actually open kitchen format में it looks very symmetrical and very nice. और यहाँ पे मुझे लोगों ने पूछा था कि what is the technology you got done on your armchair and your dining chair. So basically it's called nanotech coating, and it's by a company called Vetropar, and they basically take some liquid and do it. It's a day's process, like कुछ घंटों में हो जाता है, and 18 महीने तक उसकी वैलिडिटी है ताकि अगर आप कॉफी गिराओ कुछ भी दाग धब्बे लग जाए, so it's easy to clean. Now honestly I haven't tested this theory, and a lot of my friends wanted to test it for me, but it's absolutely banned to drop anything on my white armchair, and I'm not going to test it for y'all. But stay tuned to my vlogs to see अगर कभी कुछ गिरा वो पूछ रहा है कि नहीं. But उन लोग ने गारंटी लिया कि 18 महीने तक it will last, and after every 18 months you have to do a touch up of that thing. So just for safety side, because I've chosen white linen, I went ahead and did it on everything, on my dining chair, on this chair, on the sofa, on my bed, everywhere I've done that Vetropar just to be sure कि कुछ भी मतलब गिरे तो वो साफ हो सकता है. अभी होगा कि नहीं उसकी मैं गारंटी नहीं ले रही हूँ. Now that you've seen the entire home, now you know what the open kitchen format actually does to the Sarah Squad home. It makes it look so spacious, so grand, and it is perfect for my needs and necessities. काफी लोगों ने comments करके बोला है और question पूछा है कि this kitchen is not very practical. इसमें आपका counter space बहुत कम है, इसमें your sink is very small and stuff like that. Guys, मैंने पूरा कुल मिला के 2 महीने में सिर्फ 2 महीने के share of अंडे बनाए और मैं कुछ भी नहीं बनाती हूँ इस किचन में. This kitchen is practical for me and my needs and my necessities, and the entire home is made in a way that I can function out of this home. I can create my content, I can do my work, everything else. My mother lives like 5 minutes away from me, and she's my master chef and she makes my food and she sends. तो मैं अकेली का खाना नहीं बनाती, और sink is small enough to fit एक इंसान के बर्तन और उतने धुल जाते हैं. That's more than enough for me. I don't need a big fat sink. The counter space is also just enough for somebody who does not cook. So everything makes sense in the Sarah Squad home for Sarah. That's what's important. But एक चीज जो आप लोग ने point out की, and that is something I did take into consideration after the kitchen tour went live, कि सारा आपके किचन में चिमनी नहीं है और आपने चिमनी कैसे नहीं लगाया. All those fumes are not good for your health and it's very toxic और बहुत धुआं हो जाएगा, blah blah blah. And then I was like, you know what? I have a white kitchen. With time, it was possible कि with even anda making, the lower thing of the kitchen cabinets would have become yellow और वो धीरे 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 spread होता जाता था. This is something my kitchen designer also told me, but मैंने दरगुजर कर दिया था during the making because मुझे से shoot friendly kitchen चाहिए था. था. I wanted a kitchen that just looks good in my Impulse Coffees के video because that was the priority of making an open kitchen. But then when you all told me कि वो toxic fumes जो release हो गए due to the cooking is not good for my health, then I was like, listen, I take a lot of care of my health now and that is my priority. कुछ भी toxic चीज जमा ही नहीं करनी है हमको इस घर में, तो चिमनी लगा देते हैं because उसकी सुविधा कर रखी थी. So we've put this clear glass calf chimney, so stunning. It's ductless, it has a filter जो ऐसा खुलता है and filter का access है. And ऊपर हमारे पास इधर ये एरिया में जो कैबिनेट था, अब वो कैबिनेट निकाल दिया and now we just have shutters. So the chimney is inside, its duct and everything is under and it's just two shutters that makes it very concealed and beautiful. तो ये feedback जो आप लोग ने दिया वो हम लोग ने लगा दिया है. So this is something I wanted to let you all know. The kitchen also has this very cute Attenborough Renaissance fan which is pure white and it ties my entire white kitchen so beautifully together. This fan is operated by the remote and इसकी speed perfect है. ये छोटू है but अच्छा खासा ventilation देता है in this entire room. और इसकी खास बात ये है कि it works on BLDC motor and saves up to 65% of electricity. बाकी मेरे सुंदर से open kitchen का tour is already there on my YouTube channel which I think you have seen. If you haven't, it's going to be linked इधर जिधर भी वो आया आता है and also the description box, you can check it out. The next question that was very commonly asked is what is your favorite part of the home? और मेरे बहुत सारे favorite parts है because this house is literally made in a way कि मैं इसमें खुश रहूं, मैं इसमें काम कर सकूं. So I have a lot of favorite corners, but one of my favorite things in the house is actually the door lock. And you will not believe the reason for that being कि this is a smart lock from Attenborough. और मेरी सबसे खराब आदत है कि मैं हमेशा घर की चाबी भूल जाती हूँ. मैं जब भाड़े पे रहती थी इतनी सारी बार ऐसा हुआ है कि मैं घर की चाबी भूल गई हूँ एंड जो पप्पा के पास स्पेयर है he would have to come and bring it to me and literally 10-15 मिनट में नीचे ही खड़ी रहती थी मेरे घर के till my चाबी comes to me. तो रात को जब मैं लेट भी आती थी I used to forget the keys and then actually be homeless without the house keys. So I really wanted a smart lock and I chose the one from Attenborough. There are actually 6 ways in which this door lock opens. My favorite one is the fingerprint because biometric mechanism से I can just open this and enter my house seamlessly. मेरी टीम वाले भी आते हैं. You can use a periodic pin over here and just access the door with the help of that. साथ में मैं रूम में बैठे बैठे भी अपना डोर अनलॉक कर सकती हूँ with the help of my phone. So I can just pull the door and it will unlock from my phone from the Attenborough app. And if you want to make it even more fancy schmancy, तो उन लोग key card भी देते हैं for like a hotel वाला feel. And then of course there is a mechanical key with which you can open. So over here there is a slot for your चाबी जो mostly मैं भूल ही जाती हूँ, तो मैं बाकी के mechanisms use करती हूँ अपना दरवाजा use करने के लिए. But you can use a चाबी also for your Attenborough smart lock. And this is my favorite thing in the house. Personally I feel अगर आप मेरे जैसे हो, आप चाबी भूल जाते हो, and this is also a lot of added safety measure for your house, you should add this. It's not even that expensive. It's absolutely worth it. मैं इसका link description box में डाल दूंगी. And एक और चीज जो इसके साथ हो जाती है is you don't need a door handle. This itself has a lever mechanism. Looks really stunning, classy, seamless. वो लोग आके आपका installation भी करके देंगे if you opt for that feature. I also really like the color of my main door. We've gone for this deep sage green color जो मेरे bedroom का है. That same color is on the main door and it looks so like calming, but at the same time it adds that pop of color. और आप लोग को मैंने बोला था I'm a colorful person. I really like color, but उसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि हर एक दीवार पे एक अलग कलर कर दो. You just add these pops of muted, classy colors and your house can look colorful, vibrant, but at the same time very classy and minimalistic. और इस पे हम लोग ने black molding पट्टी लगाया है because black accents with the door lock and even the safety grill is a black accent. ये safety grill is very again modern, contemporary, but at the same time इसमें wide खाचे है ताकि मैं Zomato वगैरह के पार्सल ऐसा खींच सकूं and it is very accessible. Main door के ऊपर of course I've put Aital Kursi. It's a dua I strongly believe in and I wanted the protection for my Sara Squad home from all the nazar, all the evil eyes, everything. तो मुझे तो Aital Kursi ऊपर ही चाहिए थी and it got this made in a nice white back painted glass. ये और मेरा नेम प्लेट मैंने सेम जगह से किया. It's a local store over here. मैं स्टोर के डिटेल्स आपके लिए डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दूंगी. कोई भी ग्लास वेंडर will do this for you. It looks so pretty. I absolutely love it. And over here we have the DB boards. यहाँ पर आप लोगों को लग रहा होगा कि क्या कबर्ड है, तो यहाँ पर it's like the messy wires, the main fuse box of the house which is hidden behind these doors. Some very obvious additions to my living room are my ACs and my fans. For my fans, I've chosen the Renaissance Smart Plus fan from Attenborough in this white and black color because again white and black is the perfect theme of my living room and this comes in a lot of variety of colors and options that you want for your house. आप Attenborough की वेबसाइट पे देख सकते हो, बहुत सारे options available है, but I love this white and black variant. I've opted for 2 ceiling fans in my living room because I have a massive living room and it is great for ventilation. These are smart BLDC fan. So the BLDC motor in this actually saves up to 65% of electricity. So that's why I love these fans because they also don't make a lot of noise. I hate noisy fans. मुझे बहुत चिढ़ मचती है. These are my perfect addition to the living room. I mostly only keep one on because मेरी बाहर की भी हवा बहुत ज़्यादा आती है. These are smart fans, so you can of course operate it with the remote, but also with your phone and also Alexa. अगर आपके घर में Alexa है, the phone has Atomberg app, तो Atomberg app से आप सारे Atomberg के devices control कर सकते हो. मेरे लिए personally I love the remote. I just keep the remote around where my AC remote is and I operate everything with the remote and it's just so convenient. आपका regulator भी इसी के ऊपर है. स्विच बोर्ड ढूंढने की जरूरत ही नहीं है घर में when all your devices are smart. I freaking love my false ceiling. It's such a cool feature in this living room because ये कट ही इतना different है ना. जहाँ बोल रहे हो कि मेरा living room बहुत simple है, ये छोटी छोटी चीजों से ही वो cool और classy लगता है. This contemporary modern cutout of the false ceiling actually makes your living room look very spacious, very wide. वो typical वो square वालों से मैं fed up हो गई थी और मुझे different false ceiling चाहिए था. तो ये जब हुआ था ना, जिस दिन ये कटा था उसी दिन मैं बहुत खुश हो गई थी. अंदर भी put a ceiling strip and it looks beautiful. This is one of my favorite lights to keep on in my house. तो जब मैं बेडरूम में भी होती हूँ, I keep the ceiling light on. काफी घर illuminated रहता है and it actually provides a lot of light in the house. अभी बहुत सारे लोगों के घर में टीवी होता है, but आपकी सारा टीवी देखती नहीं है इतना, तो मैंने ये दीवार प्लेन रखी है. Just in case my friends come over, they want a movie screening or something like that, I can use a projector, keep it on my coffee table. और ये प्लेन दीवार पे मस्त हम प्रोजेक्ट करके मूवीज या मैच या कुछ भी देख सकते हैं. So that's why this has been kept very free and open. और यहाँ पर एक मोल्डिंग पट्टी लगा के we've divided it because we've actually पैनल्ड इट हाफ वे नीचे और सारी कंसील्ड वायरिंग नीचे कर रखी है. और फिर इधर एक कंसोल बनाया है. दिस इज अ कंसोल विच इज मेड स्पेसिफिकली टू स्टोर ऑल ऑफ माई इलेक्ट्रॉनिक आइटम्स. मेरे पास बहुत सारे चार्जर्स, वायर्स, केबल्स, यू नेम इट, आई हैव इट. लाइक मेरे घर में कोई आए और बोले फोन चार्ज करना है, सी टाइप है, जो टाइप चीज सब मिलेगा मेरे पास. सारी वायर्स, सारे कॉर्ड, सब कुछ अवेलेबल होता है. ऑल टाइप्स ऑफ लाइट्स, एवरीथिंग. एंड दीज कवर्ड्स हैव ऑल ऑफ दैट मटेरियल. एंड आई आल्सो हैव अ कस्टम पुल आउट फॉर माई प्रिंटर इन दिस and a cutout for my JBL speaker. So I don't have a home theater, but I love listening to music. तो मैंने अपना JBL का speaker with a woofer, I have kept it over there. So it's very very custom made to the electronics that I have. ऊपर I've kept my book. Verity is the book I'm reading right now. It's very scary. Please मत पढ़ना. Do not recommend. I have this cute photo of my family and me from this Eid, Ramzan Eid ये साल की. There's this black vase with some baby's breath. I have this beautiful Holy Family murti that I actually got from Sacré-Cœur Church in Paris, and I kept this right in the center of this living room. Okay, this is something that I thought I would not add at all in my living room because I thought I don't want to make a passage, I don't want to create a passage for my living room. But my interior designer was so for it. She was like, you're gonna appreciate this after it's put, and I do appreciate it after it's put. This is like a glass partition separator kind of thing that she's like, you know, added in the design plan, and it's so convenient to just create some privacy for my bedroom because मेरे bedroom का दरवाजा इधर ही है. और अगर ये bedroom का दरवाजा खुला रहता है ना, literally anybody in the house, whoever comes in, can look directly inside my bedroom. But this gives you some sort of privacy. If you're inside the room, you're not going to enter this territory. You will not be able to see inside my bedroom. But at the same time, अगर मेरे को ventilation create करना है, you can rotate this, and then I can create ventilation, cross ventilation between the bedroom and the rest of the house. जो मैं करती नहीं हूँ बिल्कुल भी, because इतना cross ventilation आता है कि चीजें टूटने लगती है इस घर में. बहुत ज्यादा हवा चल रही है, especially आजकल because बारिश का मौसम है. But yeah, I love this feature. It actually adds to a lot of character to the entire living room. I have a lot of concealed storage in this house. ये पूरा का पूरा passage में actually हम लोग ने एक loft बनाया है. उसका ये एक दरवाजा है और ये एक दरवाजा है, and it's very concealed in one straight line. हर चीज आ जाती है. If anybody seen my moving vlogs, they know कि इसको एक straight line में करने के लिए कितनी मेहनत लगी है. But that's exactly what the design plan was, to have a concealed loft storage, and this stores so much सामान. मेरे Impulse Coffees का कितना इन्वेंट्री इधर रहता है, मेरे सारे सूटकेसेस इधर रहते हैं, और बहुत कुछ जो हमको डे टू डे में नहीं लगता है ना, वो सारा कुछ मालिये पे चढ़ा देते हैं ना, वैसा वाला सिस्टम है. एंड ये सेम चीज हम लोग ने बाथरूम्स में भी किया है, तो दोनों बाथरूम में भी लॉफ्ट स्टोरेज है. अब ये सिम्युलेटेड पैसेज के अंदर वी एडेड दिस कूल क्वर्की मिरर. इट्स कट इन दिस वियर्ड कंटेम्पररी शेप, अगेन समथिंग आई पिक्ड अप ऑफ Pinterest. और फिर इसके सामने यू कैन सी एट द बैक आई हैव अरेंज्ड सम ऑफ माय फेवरेट नॉवेल्स. आई एम अ बिग टाइम रोमांस novel reader, and these are some of my favorites up there. The Lauren Asher series and the Liz Stormford series, and फिर मेरा Hogwarts का 9 3/4 was also here, and Traveler. And the reason I've added all of this here is because पीछे सारी गंदी सारी चीजें हैं, like the Wi-Fi modem is here and the bell का button, and ये सारी चीजें आप conceal करके दरवाजों के पीछे नहीं डाल सकते. So I've added some books and just decorated this part in this beautiful dream catcher that actually one of my teammates Bhavisha had given me on Christmas as Secret Santa. It's so pretty. The only thing is कि जब बहुत ज़्यादा हवा चलती है ना तो it falls. This mirror is actually a smart mirror. तो इसके अंदर LED light है and it changes color on touch, and I really like that because my mirror selfies are also cool just because of that. यहाँ पर 2 दरवाजे हैं and this is the door to my bedroom and this is the door to the common washroom. तो इस बाथरूम में हम लोग ने कुछ भी नहीं change किया. We've kept it exactly how the builder had given it. I've just added this one storage cabinet that is available on IKEA. और ये मेरे पास पहले से था from my rental home, so it has some amount of storage inside, and I've kept some vitamins that I take in the morning and my menstrual cup, my pads, all of that is over here. खाली ये सारे दरवाजे अगर आपको याद है, they used to be like a brown color in the empty home tour, so we've put white laminate and we've put white PVC putty and added this molding finishing. बाकी everything is exactly how it was given. There's a dry duct in this bathroom, and if you want to put a washing machine, you can. I don't have one, but you can. आप लोग ने ऑलरेडी मेरा बेडरूम देख लिया है. अगर नहीं देखा है, आई विल लिंक दैट वीडियो फॉर यू ऑल. आई लव माय बेडरूम. इट्स वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट रूम्स. इट्स सुपर कोजी, वेरी 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 मी. दिस इज द मोस्ट आई थिंक एलिमेंटल रूम इन द हाउस इफ यू विल. बहुत सारी चीजें हो रही है इस बेडरूम में, बट स्टिल एट द सेम टाइम इट मेक्स परफेक्ट सेंस. समबडी एक्चुअली आस्क्ड मी व्हाट आर द लेसन्स दैट यू हैव लर्नड व्हाइल बिल्डिंग दिस होम, एंड जो आप नहीं करोगे अगले घर में. एक मेजर चीज जो मैं नहीं करूंगी, आई विल नॉट ऑप्ट फॉर कार्पेंट्री वार्डरोब्स. लाइक यू कैन सी दिस वार्डरोब इज ऑलरेडी लीविंग इट्स बेस. इसका सॉफ्ट क्लोज मैकेनिज्म ऑलरेडी खराब हो चुका है, एंड carpentry wardrobes are just not it. I will opt for modular wardrobes next time I'm doing my house. That was the biggest lesson I learned while making this house. In general मैं अपने wardrobe से इतनी खुश नहीं हूँ. बाकी I feel like you know don't set a budget in your mind. अगर budget is a constraint, I would personally go for like say for example अगर अगली बार मैंने बड़ा घर खरीदी इंशाल्लाह, I will do one room at a time ताकि I can really split the budget of every room, because here I went with a very small budget and then मैं पूरी खिंच गई in trying to you know actually make sure that everybody's bills are paid and multiple workers are in your house at the same time. बहुत सारी चीजें हो रही है, सब पे पैसा जा रहा है और सिर्फ ऐसा लगता है पानी की जैसा पैसा जा रहा है. Everything is happening at the same time. It was just very very chaotic and very unnecessarily expensive. Yes, everything is expensive and everything is going to cost you a lot of money, but if you do it segmentally, at least आपके पास time है to earn the money and give. इस तरीके से आप ज्यादा देर तक हैरान रहोगे workers के साथ. Of course pros and cons, but I still feel like next time maybe when I'm making my house, I will do maybe two rooms at the same time or one room at the same time depending on what my finances look like. But yeah, these were the major lessons that I learned. Bedroom, you'll have already seen a lot of questions I got, not about the bedroom but about the automation in my bedroom. A lot of you all loved that I got automation done. I have it in my entire house, but especially I have my curtains automated in the bedroom. और आप लोग सब मुझे cost पूछ रहे थे. So now the cost of the automation is actually dependent on the square foot of your house. My automation is done by Vozart Technologies and I would highly recommend, because this is one of the most seamless automation mechanism that exists on the Indian market as of today. मैंने बहुत सारी कंपनी से inquire किया था and this is seamless because you can do it even in your existing household. They have smart drivers जो directly आपके switchboard के पीछे जाते हैं, so you don't have to leave an extra wiring or anything for that. And the best thing is that it can be operated via Apple phones, any of your Apple devices, Apple Home, Alexa वगैरह भी हो तो of course it's an added benefit. I've also got an Apple HomePod now in the bedroom. So if I say, hey Siri, close the curtains in the bedroom,
Okay, the curtains are closed.
It will happen automatically without my phone also, because अब मैंने HomePod भी लगा दिया है. So my automation is even more advanced. But that being said, Vozart's automation cost is based off of the square foot and also on how many things you want to get automated और आपको किस level का technology चाहिए. Like मेरे bedroom में सबसे ज़्यादा technology है because मैंने bedroom में curtains automate करवाए हैं. अगर आपको curtains नहीं करवाने, सिर्फ आपका main switchboard वगैरह और AC करवाना है, then that's a different cost altogether. Like मैंने living room और studio room के curtains को automate नहीं करवाया है because it could have become very expensive. So as per that, they will give you a quotation. I will leave the contact details, जैसे आप उनको contact कर सकते हो, in the description box. You can contact them. They'll do a site visit, give you a quotation for your house. आपको क्या करवाना है, कौन से रूम में करवाना है, कितने square feet का आपका घर है उस हिसाब से. And then you can take a call कि मैं ये करूँ, ये नहीं करूँ, ये करूँ. Like मेरे लिए initial quote was very expensive, and then I was like, okay, I'll remove this, and accordingly finally I got it done. Of course, partly Wozart has gifted me and partly I've paid for this. So I'm very grateful that Wozart partnered with me for the automation of my house. Another question that was asked was that I don't have a guest room. तो अगर मेहमान आएंगे वो कहाँ सोएंगे? Yes, I don't have a guest room. अभी मेरे पास 3 BHK नहीं. अगर 3 BHK होता I would have possibly made 2 bedrooms and then 1 studio room. Because मेरे लिए काम करना बहुत ज़्यादा important है. I opted for the other room to be my office. This room has a bed and it has a bed box. So there's storage inside the bed. And अंदर जो mattresses रखी हुई है, those mattresses I use for when my friends come over. So far we haven't had any guests. But अगर कोई आए तो वो mattresses pull out करके सो सकते हैं. Living room में डाल सकते हैं. Living room में sofa भी है. There's a little bit of that arrangement. Don't have a guest room. अभी उतना भी भाई मुंबई में हर स्क्वायर फुट का भाव है और उतना मैं अफोर्ड नहीं कर पाई इस बार. इंशाल्लाह लाइफ बहुत लंबी है, कभी और हमारे पास गेस्ट रूम भी होगा.